I'd like to share with you the course schedule, which I want to note is subject to change. I do adjust my teaching based on what I see my students learning. First, I list the modules in the first column. This is the orientation module to start with. The due dates are listed here. You will notice each module starts on Monday and will end on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. I've listed the topics, some reading, but this will be posted at the start of each module, which I will show you in a moment. And then I have the assignments that I'm anticipating offering. You can see as we scroll down, we have the start dates, and there are a total of 14 modules in this course, and I've assigned no work for the week of Thanksgiving break. All assignments are due on December 16th is the final day to complete assignments. If we are looking at our course, you will see many of the modules are structured the same. The first page of each module starts with an overview. The module overview will state the purpose of the module. It will list the starting and ending dates, which I see I need to update that one. There will be a brief video overview of the module. You will also notice the goals and objectives, the assigned reading, which will also be linked inside of the module, the activities you will complete, and the assignments that will be due for points. So for example, if we click to the first page of the module, there's an introduction here, and it tells you step by step what to do. The next page in this one talks about the online discussion rubric. There is a discussion board post, etc. You use these next buttons to continue through each of the pages of the module. And I would like to note that all of the assignments need to be completed in order to pass the class. Each of the weekly assignments that are included in each module need to be completed.